back to the channel. We're heading from Tyler, Texas to man, I hope this guy stops. He didn't act like he was gonna. Today we're heading from Tyler, Texas over to the terminal in Alvarado. We're going to pick up a load for Carrier air conditioning and take it to their distribution center in Carrollton, Texas. If you've been watching for a while, you've seen that we've been to this place before. Actually, it was only a couple weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, I think, was our first time there. So we're heading back. Pretty easy load today. We started out our morning delivering to Miller Light Distribution Center in Tyler. That was in the last video, so go check that one out if you haven't already. Yeah, pretty easy day. The weather's supposed to be nice today. We got some rain coming in later in the week, but should be nice today. 137 miles down to the terminal. It'll be a good day. Way station's open here at Wills Point off of Interstate 20. State of Texas. Not exactly sure what they were weighing. Just been for livestock. They might just be checking the livestock trailers. We got a couple dedicated inspection stations on Interstate 20 between here and Dallas. Generally that one's not open, but they might have it open for livestock trailers, but they're just having everybody roll through. No. We're all good. Got 80 miles down to the terminal in Alvarado. Probably top off on fuel and drop this empty trailer and pick up our loaded trailer.
Exit right.
Getting off of Interstate 20 west on the 67 south towards Cleburne. You guys have followed along for any length of time. We spend a lot of time on 67 lately. I guess it's the quicker way to the terminal. Terminal's off of 35W South, but the GPS always takes us down this way, probably because of the road construction and just traffic in general between Dallas and Fort Worth. So this is the way we end up going, but 34 miles to the terminal, so we'll be there about 9:30. So if it takes us half an hour to get everything switched around, it gives us 2 hours to get up to hooked up. We're going to finish this trip up to Carrollton. Hopefully we can get another load yet today and get back down this way or towards the house, so we don't have to stay in a truck stop. But that remains to be seen. Gotta wait here for the guy coming out of the truck wash. About an hour and 5 minutes up there to the shipper or receiver. I don't know why I always get that messed up. Let's go. Just over an hour up to the receiver. Put us there about 10:50, about an hour before we're to be there. We should be in pretty good shape. If they're as quick as they were the last time I was there, we should be able to get another load today yet. That's the hope. Get another load and either head towards home or head towards here. I'm willing to bet that it's going to be heading back down this way. But I don't know. I can't even venture a guess. They don't pre-plan us too often, or at least stack us up so we know what's going on. We're back on 67, heading north this time. We're going to be on this for about 10.5 miles till we get up to 35W north. I don't know all the roads that you jump off to get there. It gets convoluted and confusing when you get up there in Dallas. But we got 52 miles till we get there. As I said at the beginning, pretty short little run, doing more empty miles than we are loaded miles for this run. But it's all good. All the mileage, not just the loaded miles, which is nice. Thankful that the company does that. It would be worth taking this load if you weren't getting paid the empty miles. So getting paid for that. Be there just before 11 o'clock. So, very good shape. Clearly I had no idea where I was going. We're getting off of 67 on the 20 West. We're going to be on 20 West for a short bit and then jump off on 408 North. It's probably going to be an aggravating ride because we're going right up in between Dallas and Fort Worth, so there will be traffic, I'm sure, but it's alright. Nice day. Got time to get there. Everything's gonna be just jumped off the interstate. Got about a mile down the road here to the receiver. Plenty of time. Have an hour till our appointment, so hopefully they'll unload us early. We can get back on the road to more better and brighter things. Alright, we made it. They're going to start unloading us early, which is cool. So, yeah. That's going to about wrap it up for this one. Short, sweet, to the point. Keep making that money. We'll get unloaded. I'll send in my paperwork, and we'll see where the next one takes us. But that'll be in the next video. So, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're growing, so all of you that are liking and all the new subscribers we got, thank you very much. I appreciate it. We're gonna keep on getting down the road. So thanks again for watching, guys. See you in the next one.